Hey, tech enthusiasts! The Flipkart Big Diwali Sale 2024 is here, and boy do I have some incredible iPhone deals for you. Whether you're eyeing the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max or a solid performer like the iPhone 13, there's something for everyone. First up, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Launched just last month, this beast normally starts at $1,45,000 for the 256 GB model. But during this sale, you can snag it for as low as $1,34,000. That's a whopping discount. Next, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Released in September 2023, this beauty was priced at $1,34,000 for the 128 GB variant. Now it's available for just Rs. $23,999. Yes, you heard that right. And let's not forget the classic iPhone 13, originally launched at $79,900 for the 128 GB model. It's now listed at an unbelievable $49,990. Perfect for anyone wanting a reliable device without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. Flipkart is also offering additional benefits like coupon discounts, exchange offers, and bank deals to sweeten the pot. SBI card and MasterCard holders get a 10% instant discount, and Flipkart Access Bank credit card users can grab a 5% cash back. Plus, you can exchange your old phone to further lower the price. This sale isn't just about iPhones. You'll find great deals on a wide range of products including Samsung, Realme, Oppo, Nothing, and Motorola phones. From large appliances like refrigerators and air conditioners to personal gadgets like tablets and laptops, Flipkart has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Flipkart and make the most of these Diwali deals before the sale ends on October 31st. Happy shopping and enjoy the festivities. Catch you in the next video.